guys, it's Subat Productions here, and today I'm going to review one cool thing, right? And the cool thing I'm gonna review today is a Zippo lighter, right? You know Zippo lighters, and that's this thing I'm going to review today. And here we got the Zippo lighter fluid bottle, and we can refill if the um, fluid is finished in the Zippo. And it's really easy and cool to fill fluid into the lighter, and at the moment the lighter is full, so we don't want to refill that. And so here we got flints, Zippo flints. We can replace them. And here, finally we got the Zippo, the lighter. And here, let's take it out. Okay, and here, this is the lighter. And it's really beautiful and shiny, and you can see here it's written shield. And this lighter was 2000 rupees. It's very cheap because this lighter is made in China, right? And here you can see made in China, but most lighters are made in USA. One USA Zippo lighter cost 5,000 or 7,000 or 10,000 rupees, and actually foreigners are buying those lighters. And here you can open this lighter. Yeah, there. And then just let's light it up and see. Alright, there. And this is the flame, the Zippo flame. You can see the flame clearly. And here it's really beautiful. And there is a special thing in these Zippo lighters. And that special thing is these lighters are windproof. These are windproof lighters, and you can see it. There, you see it. These lighters are really windproof. So that's why these lighters are expensive. So that's the end of this video. So if you like this video, you can do these two things, and those two things are subscribe. Okay, you hear it? Alright, thanks for watching my video.